Welcome back to our channel MNC community. So guys, this is the card trick that every magician should know. So let's ask the spectator to shuffle the deck as much as he likes, completely mixing the order of the deck. Now I may show him the deck that it is very random deck and there is no setup of the cards. First again at last I will give the deck a refresh shuffle. Now I may ask the spectator to stop while I am riffling the deck.
Stop.
Right here?
Yes.
You wanna change?
No.
Okay. See this card? I will not have a look on this card. Have you seen it?
Yes.
I may keep this card in the center and give the deck few cuts. After that I will have a paper which is completely blank and a pen. I may write the prediction and then let's see it's correct or not. ये ऐसा पेन किसने दिया जो चली. Now I am having a paper and a pencil which is completely blank. Now I may write a prediction on it. And fold it. Now I may shout out loud. Now I may ask the spectator to shout out loud their card. So what was your card?
Five of Hearts.
Really? Okay. First I will take out this card. Okay, it's here, the Five of Hearts. I will be taking this Five of Hearts and placing over the top, and I will just give a deck a quick refresh shuffle. Now I will deal cards one by one on the table and the spectator may say stop anywhere he likes.
Stop.
Right here. Okay, I will just square the deck and place the prediction over here and place this on the top. So let's see where my prediction is placed. You could have been stopped anywhere you like, but you have stopped here. So my prediction with this card will be the spectator's selection, and inside the my prediction it is written the Five of Hearts. So guys, that was the trick. Hope you enjoyed it. So let's get on to the tutorial for this trick. Guys, you enjoyed the trick very well, and if you enjoyed the trick, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. For this trick you need a deck of playing cards, a piece of paper and a pencil. Okay, so first you may hand over the deck to the spectator so that he may shuffle it. After this, after the spectator shuffles the deck, you have to peek to the first card which is over here. You may show him that it is completely random and you may pick this first card. Okay, and what you have to write on the piece of the paper is this first card, the Nine of Hearts. So I am writing now Nine of Hearts. Okay guys, so I have written here the Nine of Hearts. Now I am placing this Nine of Hearts just here. Okay, so what you have to perform is the slip force. It's the tutorial right over here. You may see this, the slip force. We have already made a tutorial on the slip force. You may do a slip force. Okay, say stop anywhere.
Stop.
Here. Okay, I will just lift up the packet and force that card where you have been. So please check the tutorial of the slip force and then come on this video. Okay, spectator selection is this. Now place this card anywhere in the center, and then you may show him the prediction that I have written 9 of hearts on the piece of paper. Okay, and the last part of the trick is that first you need to pull that the selections card on the top, and then you may deal cards.
Stop.
Okay, and then what you need to do, square this, and this, the spectator selection will go just up on that slip. Okay, so you need to just give a swing cut, and the spectator's card will just below the prediction, and then you may show this trick and do some killer ending. Yeah, killer ending. Okay guys, that was the trick, and the tutorial was little bit different from the performance, but the tutorial was okay. So guys, please subscribe the channel and like this video.